I'm back, baby. I'm back. Finally, after 3 months, I'm back. I'm stronger than ever. New studio, new setup, new everything. New, I want to say outfit, but oh, new fancy glasses. I've got everything now. Yeah. You might have noticed that I haven't uploaded in like a long time, but I'm back now. The reason I haven't uploaded is because I moved to another place like 3 months ago, and I needed my own room, but the room is in the garden, so I live in the garden. It's only just a room. It's not like fancy bathroom and everything. It's just a room in the garden. I've set up everything now, and I'm glad I'm back to record new videos. So what I want to do is go back to the famous EDM wheel, and we're gonna make a genre in 1 hour. Let's just click on it and let's hope for the best. I guess we're doing deep house then. Little disclaimer, I haven't listened to deep house in such a long time, so I should listen to some deep house tracks before I start this. Just give me 5 minutes. Okay, so listening to some deep house tracks, it just sounds so much like slap house in my mind right now. I'm just gonna open FL Studio Mobile, and we're back with the 1 hour. Just gonna press start. Let the challenge begin. Let's go. First, I want to get a correct tempo. Okay. The sidechain. I forgot I need to speak when I produce. Put it on there. I have no idea if I'm doing this right. Deep house is a mystery for me, apparently. I think I'm doing it right. Old 80s disco vibes, like I think we're getting off to a good start. This is the bass I was looking for. No piano, I guess. Something plucky. Okay, so we have chords. Only thing I'm missing is some ambience, something like lead. There's some Don Diablo or Matt Nash sound. Okay, so that's fixed. You go there, you go there. That's what we say in the Netherlands. Hartstikke idee. I didn't even EQ the chords. I spent 40 minutes on a drop. Now we're gonna spend 20 minutes on everything else. Justin Bieber clogs. What do you mean clogs? Okay, I'm gonna record some vocals. Be aware that I'm not good at vocals, so autotune is needed. Ah, that's why I didn't even put sidechain on the thing. Okay, how much time is left? 1.5 minutes. I think I'm gonna call it a day. I want to say that it's good to be back, and even though this isn't the best I've made ever in 1 hour, I still appreciate what I've done for today, and I hope you do the same. So here's my deep house in 1 hour. Enjoy. Guys, it's good to be back. Leave a like, subscribe. I really missed to say that. Leave a like, subscribe for the next videos, and leave comment down below how much you hated this, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.